tutati muri gokea abantu bitu tuatena tiga abantu togenda mugondo tole mmeri president ne ndete kuri mpangilio yae naki ago tokonyo mu bitu Kenya giyo bugororo
Mwancho mugere ritogotikana nayo nigo omugako yomo korwase kenyorokia ekegogi yotoke wodi ya Magombe bunge ya Kitutu Masaba imeye kaunti ya Nyamira abakagotindo korwase kanyora bere kagotinde kwa askerge gotebe kanabuna asobole mubwa abakagotinde kwa nigo bugorire n'abanta bao
maiga yokaini gwa kumubere gw'omugako yoni kobono abantu bagorete bole masense mejubeso getie nagote abuno mugako ini gatinde getwe asobole mokonyora bwa nigwe abori tangane niko babodi ya serikali ko soga tina kuligeria mangana rengeze chindemero anane imeye county ya Nyamira banabo enka ya Nyagosira niko bono wa kumire na sikyo mugako yari gutinde kurana kwirandi gwa asenkendu ya tombe imeye county ya Nyamira sebagendrete korerobo ene bwabo eri umugako ya nyare kwirani wana gutinde kwa senkeyo yaye
nigo bamuraba mwababa komochia omukonyi bomugambya sensemeyo anena soko bayigerera abagori asoko beka esei natokumanyiwa no muri keito dipo nasanya
imeye kenyoro ya ekegogi eward ya Magombo amate yo mugakanya gusira mugire magaki hamwe n'umungino ya Nyagosira Sabina mugire mbiriro bare asebe murunganirio burayi bw'abagambi bensemeywe maiga yo mwana mwabo gutindo kurwa na kwiranirwa asenkendu oyo banyara gutindeka eikia eta
Thomas Nyang'au ekere kyatindo kuromobere chibwa agacha namanye tegentekyo agacha akabakani Thomas Nyang'au ombuye akanga roira nityo omobere ali tomba so asitwa maruseti ntuna abanyene omobere into toruseti omobere mocheri tuakanite bakachibeze amanya koimuka naenda acha koinisisiti omobere gotindo koru ere nachiete kotini akarete kotoota atindo koru omobere oyirende onyobwata magoso
amate yweni go yatwarire bina wikase kigambero asengusana no yokuriana niwa endemero nokorosiwa ebintu biri bikorokia omonyeno bulimo bitali byekene
mama gakomboetie abantu obulima kabakombogia bakamanya kurwegero mama akwa bakamanya kogenda bakabwata kinamba kiabo intunto bwati namba togachikogenda tuchikobwata kinamba togakanibwa ngane ya mingero ne ya minga ntunto nyemanyeti
na ngobaete obole mubwito bakirabeti bwensi pi ngobaete bakanyora kinamba intuto tabwati namba tutaruse tiesi tata enambe tigalite kobe ya tata
boigoni gowe murunganiria ogotabwatigwa kwerichiko elio abantu bande konyora oboene bwabo
siarite yo mogotindo koro mobere egekogera mobere oyito bwati kombrain onde tayo chiete koti akateba omobere oyo no bwata magoso nderie koto atechiche etindo koro mobere oyo
chinga kiechyo nigo batebanga nonyena se bakore matibatigeire kurende n'abantu abao bagenderete kwenyorera ligesa
bona abakabigete mugondo kwa naboli abayeta bakakinamba nabunsi nyirenga ki ekena kibona tokobuna ntuntu wanya kumurama nobole mubwita akon nero enanete nero tindo kore to mubere nendete ebajete bagaite nyomba ya makogoti bagaita bagasalipi
nigo baruo kuboria gochese serikali gwesonia na kurigereria amanganaya ase basingereranga ekiombe getenere ndemero imeye county ya Nyamira keringoliwe ekiagera bataka nigo baunireriwe mono
tebano tate kuri justice kurwase serikali erigere kinamba chikuru Nyamira county nkiro origino osini bintu bigwetu murango wa nyuma ondo bwensi oyeto murango wa nyuma afeste consequences egera abanyori yakiabo bali tenyi buri mugwa mbagwati title deed yaisa origino ekina kina pirite government so minister of land itaguchungusa mari makwa no kinamba kitali kiburungi
no tutagete tumanye naki inki bago tuchandira iga muna bakorete mumuro minta kwete bachete omugambi Thomas Nyang'au mbui nere oruwete kibese nderi kigatindo koromobere
kuripoteri gatoseni Ndizi TV korwase kenyorokia ekegogi kegotoka imeye ward ya Magombo imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba egotoka imeye county ya Nyamira elitaliane ndipon asanya
Biyamuno muri kito di pona sanya hasorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikira no mwancho muri kono kotigana norobochi rwo niga serikali ye county ya Kisii eri chimbero eri konyara kaine kyabuna konyara bale ko tiali chiko lyabene eri bono ligo tanga abantu bale nobole makunyara kunregwa kolengana na bwatani awani ko bate biruna nenchira ya muyo konyara gokini obokoreri ane kurwa sensemo y'abantu bale nobole ma
Kolengana no MC Omochore Michael Mosetini kurwa sekiama kia ODM nigaterebuna abantu bari no bolema babiri bakunererwa asegeke getambe akorinde bono nigo bago keire oburayi bwayo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati asoko banyura asibaterebuna obekire merobero aho yoko enekia buna nabarabo babiri bago konyeka.
We wanted to work in some Yamana regime for 2022-2027 to atokire ntororo toko wakilishaga and tore Jumatato nindo myself kuicha my ODM kuwatu mheshimiwa Emanyie kuicha my UPA alafu mheshimiwa Nicholas kuicha my UPA tekara tu aso yatendo nyoke nga ukweli regime nero ya lengo last time 2015 mpaka 2018 mbale kitendo toko na ability disability. So njaje teka ba sented to ekabeko ebemna lichiko yani ekaba an act now ekaba disability act ebile ose act igeta kiere ko shikulikira bali bantu bameka no maf in terms of resources like ba tuale byombe kera ba tuale byombe bya ba funded in a small way ili county ra nyara ko ba ekunyara and more so disability ndo matenga very developed negento kere at the national level. Bono a county government may gesture to use excellent governor aratu alana ava pameke no bali mafu na barabu mbaye bugete mambi bakamuye nande bamwanti nere na amanyite so egere at a committee ya implementation nande luckily enough no ngo isaranza sa committee ya implementation asomo chairman yana alikuwa kwa wiki sio cho mheshimiwa. I'm trying to push as from within ya kwambe actualized so that funds chitoke chikonya babana
na go tigana yubono kurugaiga ase county ya Kisii kase county ya Nyamira obagani yo mokuru ase county ya Nyamira ko bwatana na minister kuruchi abanyana senseme yoni ko bakoleto ko bwatana kwa bene anaso konyara ko baleta boro kigwa bitskuru cyo borosamo iri konyara ko basomya ne ko bayigeria mangana rengetege korokyo mu Gusii omediko kolekana ta senkeyemo imeye county ya Nyamira wekiranete amo na bwatani ao
Kolengana no mutenero monene ase chikuru chi abantu nyene ni gatere no murobiro yo no chikonya muno aborokiwa ase
Otigana na yuekeroto kumulekera y'umwancho murigeria kurwase county yo ya Nyamira igoro yoroboti orwo ni gobono enseme yo emanyikata buna enriboma yatwaretege kare kirito kare igoro una tokumanyiwa.
This is what CBC is all about. We don't just have to keep our children in class, only learn just reading and writing, and yet they miss out on every other aspect of life.
Children are here to intermingle, they are here to play, they are here to make one county, one Kenya, and therefore, as directors actually, it's something for us to copy from the children.
Watoto wamefanya mengi, wameinteract na watoto wengine, tumefurahia. Na hii curriculum ndio imefanya tumefika hapa siku ya leo. Samani hatukuwa tunakucha hapa.
So wako bali bibyonse na wakoraga ntubwate marange bintu bikosomegwe skuru obiko ba asike songo tokotanga bire theoretical lakini bago chaga iga bikora bono practically ikiagara ntubwate bintu bune swimming pool ntubwate culture center bwate bintu bya bakoro igo byonse na bakuri babirora babwate kanama kimali
na hekero boiga yogendrete gwetania boro kiwachire buchimi sana besiranza matemo ba KCSE umwako etani gono kiraboni kwatena libagalia bene anaso kunyara kogendera gosoa achiskuru kubate kana una baranyora amabagayo kolengano muwaziri wesemezekeri macho gukwana serito kolia lero kumulekera engane yunyoko bora ose abana gotachi sukuru anenseme University College amone chi sukuru chirichi obundia niko macho kwate biro kuna serikali nebegetemero berisaine eri kunyara kwane kiuna konyora bali bagana kunyara kuendera na masomo abo bana buni gamente kote ya una serikali yabigete mero byo kuchukosira bana buli kunyara ikenya masomo abo asate biro kubwata ko kweni bone ningo gokia sabo kiwa bali abantu kubwata kuri chibesa gose elbo ni chikogendera kote ya una ni kwa bigete kerambe kemo gokia sabo ki obonsi ba uchikonyora enenge yuri kunyara kubasira anane ase chisemi.
For the first time, students whose households are at the bottom of the pyramid shall enjoy equal opportunities in accessing university education and TVET education through 100% government funding. This means the households are not expected to pay anything for the program cost, and additionally, the students will receive upkeep from their own proceeds. Out of the 2022 KCSE graduates, over 45,000 university students and 42,000 TVET students categorized as vulnerable and extremely needy will be fully funded under the government scholarships and loans. Their categorization will be realized through a reliable scientific method, commonly known as means testing instrument, used to determine the students' level of financial needs to ensure they are supported adequately. However, the continuing students will not be affected by this funding model and will continue to receive their funding based on the government's.
Na gotigana na yono mwancho muliro mwaziri yoteneta mangana yobo erene goitrase chinchera chekerero ICT Information Communication Technology eludio walo ni gobono ate birebuna ebinto byonsi byaba Kenya ne mangana babo bisi ni gobono abekira senchere ya bene nabo igotari kuchikosono nonde bwensi ani gagocha maega yensemeria e-citizen gotema goturubaniwa n'abantu gete abo bono bakagera ko abasalia sekonda ate birebuna ebinto byonsi bya Kenya anaba Kenya ni gemero beli yawe bekira senchira ebwenerete
ayaniga yakwa nachinga kicho kubwata koroboti kubwatikana nobo koreri ase wizare yo ya ICT askirene kirebuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebegete mirobero yose yemekiranu yokoine kiabuna emetandao aneneriye korendo bokoreri we serikali yabeire gekorendwa eriyo korenda obubisi bwa kiromo Kenya.
What happened is that there was an attempted attack on the e-citizen platform, among other platforms, including but not limited to those held in the hands of the private sector. But because we already had an elaborate risk mitigation framework around that space, it was unsuccessful. So I want to assure Kenyans that the data that is held by government on their behalf is secure. That incident did not lead to any infringement of the personal data.
Na ekira yo agendre tebono omulikyo monebwe kya makelekia UDA kilofasi malala nigate berune merobeli jensi ya serikali nigebwene tekoroberwa na wosoki wa senchera endongera otebuno kubwata na nkororo elikoneke unaba Kenya nkonyera warobo korebo isene kurwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
Malala nigate babuna obungenereria kubwatukana nuko bwato kwa wechiroboti goremerobeli ya serikali kwa berego koenekiwa asamuganiro mu waziri wa ICT Eludo walo kweneke bunango choraro monogeri uyorachie konya asensemo yoberane kubwatukana nobo gosinemerobero ya magendero ase serikali iri gutanga obotutukanu naboigo amangana yoborimo.
The issue of dissemination of relevant information as pertains government policies and government projects. Well, as CS, we've been having a gap with our government communicating what it's doing. We have a lot of projects that the government is doing, impacting positively to the society, but the communication has been missing. I think this is a result of you not taking up that role of disseminating government information, not only in your ministry, but also other ministries. I would like to urge you, Bwana CS, to expedite on the recruitment of a government spokesperson, because we do not have a government spokesperson who will be disseminating relevant information as pertains this ministry. I would like to request you, Bwana CS, I've seen you appointing acting CEOs, acting MDs. Why don't you get somebody in the meantime to maybe play that role of disseminating government information as you recruit a government spokesperson.
Na ekira yubono agendere tomotenio monene bwe serikali anasobokorre bwe serikali Felix Koske nigatero bune serikali ne bwate emeroberie miya anasokunyara kobakonya kona kubasira abaremiri kunyara gokinia liga saliabo nigatero bune serikali nigo yaligere na kone kibuno koba ukubuyo no buranyara gokonya gotwara liga sana kunyara gokinia uchumi
gokwana se kanisa ya AIC ketoteta ensemo ya soime kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Koske niga boriri abalimi kwene kiabunango tumeka bare amo yayo asenchire bwenete eriko kineri gesana ukoro muchando bwenchara yoberego kwene kiwa imense ya Kenya nabo igo kwenyorera engeria yo kwegenderera nigo mona berega kwene kiabuna nigo babegetemero berio yo koigora chiduka gose ebioski bia gose chiduka chiokonia moyo ase gose chiokonia chinye kase chinsemo au eryo kwene kiabuna bakinire ensemo yoburimi.
Serikali iko na mpango ya kusaidia mkulima. Sio fertilizer peke yake. Munaona hata Kenya Seed tuko na new management, tunataka hakikisha ya kwamba mbegu ile inatoka huko ni mbegu ile sasawa, mbegu ile itasaidia wakulima wapate masao kwa njia ile inafaa, ili ukipata kwa njia inafaa